Sup guys, Rocket here, and I'm gonna be doing a Minecraft tutorials, maybe tutorials, and it's gonna create a flat. So basically, I'm gonna be doing some tutorials on making stuff. So what should we do first? Let's do the basic stuff. Making a wooden house. This is my basic wooden house where I build this, and then say 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. This. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. Then put the three oak blocks like that, and 3 blanks. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then link it up here. Then put this here. Then go there. Just gonna turn up my screen touch controls. So I'm gonna do that and that and that and bam. Then do this stuff. So like that. Is that awesome enough? That's not awesome enough because it's not finished yet. So that like that basically we're gonna do some tutorials in this world, like mod stuff like that. So when this is like 9 by 7 thing like that, and you need to smelt some stone in the furnace. This cobblestone, just put the cobblestone. Basically you need cobblestone, mine it in a cave, or you just basically you need a shovel and some pickaxe, and you need to mine to get cobblestone, and put the cobblestone in the furnace with lava, coal, wood, stuff, saplings like that. Then you need to put some blocks. You need to keep this glass here, and then put this going like that. Then glass here, and here. Breaking the wrong blocks. So glass in here, then glass there, glass there, glass there, glass there. Okay. This on the inside of the house. This that correct, so I'll put there. So we need this stuff. We need some trapdoors, some bookshelves, some bed, tables, furnace and chest, And you need
Tingnan natin mabuti. Paano natakasan ng mentalist ang matigil na bala? Sa mga tatlong baril na nasa suitcase, isa rito ay kinargahan at bala. Yung dalawa ay walang bala. Sa lahat ng ito, sa hawakan ng isang baril na may bala ay may nakasabit na magnet. Kapag hinawakan ng mentalist ang baril na may bala, makakatanggap siya ng electronic signal sa receiver na nasa kanya. Sa pamamagitan nito, malalaman niya kung sino ang may hawak ng baril na may bala upang hindi sa kanya may tutok. Sa likod nito ay may isang maliit na pampaputok na magiging dahilan ng pagsabog upang mabukan ang pagputok at saka ang pagkarga ng sa baril ay makakagawa kaysa sa bala. Hinawakan ng mentalist ang bala at kunwari ilalagay dito sa baril pero hindi niya nakikita yung bala palayo na kapatid sa hindi nakikitang nairo na siyang inilang sa bala papasok sa mga.
Got some people there. Two farmers. Some and bakbayan. Put today and grab it.
Sa pagtutok sa pagbisita ni Paul Francis, ang People's Post sa Pilipinas, sa News and Public Affairs, special coverage.
Sana isipin mo naman yung mga tao kaya ano para sa'yo. Yung role ko dito ay pangalan niya ay si Jerome. Bubuhay na isa second chance. Matagal na nun. Everything is pangalan na lang ang tawag pero sabi sa isa. Siguro babalik ako to the time na nasa grade 2 ako. Please, give me 1 second chance para hindi mag-ulit sa choir. Pag binigyan ka ng pangalawang pagkakataon, ibigay mo na lahat kung hindi mo na ibigay sa unang pagkakataon.
Second chances. Ngayon, basta after once upon a kiss.
Talagang wala akong kita na kasama ninyo. Para bang nanonood ako ng isang mahusay na pinapasama.
Ang mainit na issue ngayong Lunes.
Gusto ko mag-asawa kayo. O contact marriage na niya.
Ang tunay na buhay, Pope Francis. Pag sinanay, sinanay nagsabi,